Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually delete liked videos on TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to delete liked videos on TikTok. So you might have liked a particular video, you want to find all of those like sections and how you can actually delete all of them as well. I'm going to show you how you could do that very easily. The very first thing you have to do is make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in TikTok and go ahead and simply either download or update the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated TikTok, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you're basically logged into your account. After you log in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Now what you could do is from the very bottom right hand side of the screen, simply tap on a profile icon. Once you tap on a profile icon, right over here you'll actually be able to see a bunch of different options. On the very right hand side, you can see this heart like icon. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see a bunch of videos which you have actually liked previously in the past while you were browsing through TikTok. If you want to remove a particular video from your like section, you have to simply open the video, and then you can see this like button over here. You have to tap on it once in order to remove that video from your like section. So you could come back and then repeat the same for all other videos as well. You can come back, and then that way that particular video is going to be removed from your like section. And this is how you can delete your liked videos on TikTok. Unfortunately, this is the only way to work around it. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.